Welcome, friends. Today, we'll take time to gently explore the fears within you. This is a journey of understanding and compassion, a safe space to connect with what you might be avoiding. Let's begin today's practice by finding a comfortable position. You might choose to sit upright with your feet planted firmly on the floor, or lie down with your body fully supported. Let your hands rest in your lap or by your sides. Now close your eyes if that feels good for you. Take a deep, cleansing breath in, feeling your chest expand. Hold it for just a moment. Now fully exhale, letting your body relax. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply, pause, and exhale completely. As you breathe, allow your attention to settle on the rhythm of your breath, flowing in and out. With each exhale, let go of tension in your body. Soften your shoulders, your jaw, and the space between your eyebrows. Feel yourself settling into this moment, fully present and at ease. Now imagine yourself in a sanctuary, a place where you feel completely safe and at peace. This could be a cozy room with soft, warm lighting, a quiet forest with sunlight streaming through the trees, or even a calm beach with the sound of gentle waves. Take your time to visualize every detail of this sanctuary. Notice the colors, the textures, and the sounds around you. Maybe there's a soft breeze or the scent of flowers in the air. Let this space wrap around you like a warm, cozy blanket. Just know that in this sanctuary, you are completely safe. Nothing can harm you here. This is a place where you can gently observe your inner world with kindness and understanding. Now, in the center of your sanctuary, imagine a still, reflective pool of water. Its surface is calm and clear, like a mirror. As you look into the water, take a moment to ask yourself, what fear am I holding on to right now? Let the fear rise naturally, like a rippling spreading across the water's surface. It may appear as a word, an image, or a feeling. Don't rush or force it. Whatever comes up is exactly what you are ready to face today. As this fear takes shape, observe it without judgment. You are simply a curious bystander, noticing what arises. If the fear feels intense, remind yourself, I am safe. I am here to understand, not to fight. Take a closer look at this fear. What does it represent? Is it tied to a specific situation, a worry about the future, or something from the past? Notice how this fear feels in your body. Where does it reside? Is it a tightness in your chest, a heaviness in your stomach, or a tension in your shoulders? Breathe deeply into this space, letting the breath create room and softness around this sensation. Now ask your fear, why are you here? What are you trying to protect me from? And listen for the answer. Sometimes fear tries to keep us safe, even if its methods are unhelpful. Acknowledge its purpose, saying silently to yourself, thank you for trying to protect me. I see you, and I am ready to move forward. Imagine yourself offering this fear kindness, as if comforting a worried friend. Let it know that you appreciate its presence, but you no longer need it to guide your choices. Picture this fear transforming into something lighter. Perhaps it becomes a small cloud floating above you, a leaf drifting on a stream, or a glowing light fading into the horizon. As you exhale, imagine this fear moving further and further away. With each breath, it becomes smaller and less intense. Whisper to yourself, I release this fear. It no longer defines me. I am safe. I am free. Visualize yourself stepping forward, leaving the fear behind. Ahead of you is a wide open path filled with light and possibility. Feel the strength in your body as you walk this path, free from the weight of fear. If any part of the fear remains, that's okay. Remind yourself that you can return to this practice whenever you need. Each time, the fear will lose more of its power over you. Now, let's slowly bring your attention back to your breath, feeling it flow in and out, steady and calm. Notice the sensations in your body. Does it feel lighter, softer, or more open? Take a moment to appreciate the courage it took to explore this fear today. This was an act of strength and self-care. And when you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring movement back into your body. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently blink your eyes open. Carry this sense of freedom and lightness with you into your day, knowing that you have the power to face and release whatever arises.